Hello, this is Mrs. Wilding, and I'm going to show you a couple of places to find resources and citations for your research project in reading. Start at the library homepage, which is pointlibrary.org. Then click on the Do Research button on the left and choose the Databases page. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the EBSCO host database. This is a great place to find articles and resources on just about every topic on the list. Notice that you're going to need the AEA password, and if you don't remember what that is, you can click up here on this database passwords page and that will give it to you. And once you enter the password and the user ID, make sure you save it on your computer because that will make it easier the next time you log in. So I'm going to log in. First step is to click on Advanced Search because that gives you a lot more options. And then you want to make sure you always click this full text box. And then I'm going to put in Africa because I want to know about only things that are happening in Africa, and I'm going to type in wildlife sanctuaries because that is the topic I want to explore more. And then I'm going to hit search, and it will return a list of articles from different magazines and books. And you can see there are about 46 results. I'm going to sort them so that the newest ones are up at the top because I like to make sure that when I'm doing research, I'm looking at the most up-to-date information. And then I'm just going to scroll down and read the summaries and see if I can find one that looks interesting. I know that bushmeat is another topic that might be of interest, so I'm going to click on this title and read a little bit more about this article that talks about the illegal commercial bushmeat trade in Central and West Africa. Let me show you a few things that this database can do to help you read and understand the articles that you find here. One thing is you can hit this button to have the article read aloud to you if that will help you read and understand it as you go. For some reason the internet is slow and it's not starting, but normally this would allow you to listen to the article as it's read aloud to you. Another option is to translate the article into whatever language you would prefer, and that may help you read and understand it as well. Once you have read the article and determined that it has useful information for your project, you're going to need to cite it in your final project. And the citation will be provided to you as long as you use a library database, which makes a good reason why you should use databases because the information is likely to be more up-to-date and credible, and it also provides the citation. So if you click on the button on the right-hand side where it says Cite, it will pop up a list of different citation formats. And you want to scroll down and look for the one that says MLA, because that is the citation format we use at Prairie. And then you would just copy it, starting with the author's name all the way to the period at the end. Copy that and paste it into wherever your teacher has directed you to save your citations for your research. That is a quick overview of the EBSCO database.